Hi to all. In today's video, we'll be marking the book back answers for Standard 7 in Term 1 Civics, Lesson 2 Political Parties. Choose the correct answer. What is meant by biparty system? Answer is two major political parties contest election. The word bi-party refers to two political parties. Second one, which system of government does India have? C. Multi-party system. Multi-party is many political parties contest in the elections. Third one, recognition of a political party is accorded by. Accorded here refers to given. So the recognition of a political party is given by the Election Commission. Fourth question, political parties are generally formed on the basis of, answer is B, common interest, that is on the common interest for the people. Fifth question, single party system is found in D, China, that is only one political party is found in this country. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash form the backbone of democracy, political parties. Second one, every party in our country has to register with the Election Commission. Third one, political parties serve as intermediaries between the citizen and the policy makers. Here the citizen means the people and policy makers are the government rulers. Fourth one, a registered but dash political party cannot contest election on its own symbol. Unrecognized, a political party will contest in elections with their symbols, and that symbol will not be given to a unrecognized political party. Fifth one, the leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of cabinet minister. Cabinet minister is the central minister. So the leader of the opposition party is equal to the ministers. Match the following. Democracy, it is the rule of the people. Second one, election commission, they help us to conduct free and fair elections. Third one, majority party. Majority party is the political party which wins the largest number of seats. So they are able to form the government. Majority party forms the government. Fourth one, opposition party. They are the opposite party and they criticize the government policies. That is the answer. So now consider these statements. Which of the following statement is or correct? A, every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. We saw that in one of the fill in the blanks. Yes. Second one, the commission treats all the parties equally. Yes, the Election Commission is not partial. They treat all the political parties equally. Third one, Election Commission allots a separate symbol for recognized parties. Yes, they allot us, recognized parties are allotted with special or separate symbols. So all the above are correct. Second one, assertion. You already know assertion means a sentence or a statement is given and we have the reason, and what we have to do is we have to see if the reason and assertion are equally matching each other. Assertion, majority party plays a decisive role in making laws for the country. Majority party becomes the ruling party. So ruling party only makes laws for the country. So that is right. Our reason, the number of candidates elected is more than the others in the election. Yes, majority party means they have the highest number of candidates when compared with the other political parties. So that is also the explanation. So for this second question, answer is R is the correct explanation of A. Answer in one or two sentences. First one, which are the basic components of a political party? So, if a political party is there, what are the basic components? The answer is in page number 178. You can see it here. The political party has three basic components. One, the leader, and then the active members, and third one, the followers. Political party actually refers to Arasiyal Katchigal. So in that way you will be knowing leader, Talaivar, active members, that is the person who are very much interested in political activities, and then the followers, அதாவது அதை அந்த கட்சியை தொடர்றவர்கள். Next question. Name the three major types of party systems. Party systems major types வந்து page number 179. See here you have types of party system. There are three major types of party system. You can see single party system, that is only one political party is there in that country and they become the rulers. Second one is the bi-party system. Here we have two political parties, one will be the ruling party, the other one will be the opposition. Third one, multi-party system, many political parties will be contesting in the elections. Question number 3, name the countries which follow bi-party system. So going back to 179, bi-party system, here you have the examples. Bi-party system can be seen in UK, United Kingdom. There are two political parties, the Labour Party and the Conservative Party. Second one, USA, the Republican Party and the Democratic Party. Question number 4, write a note on coalition government. Coalition government. Page number 181. Here you have one separate side heading, coalition government. Coalition government means many political parties join together and form the government. Next, answer the following. Write any 4 functions of political party. Answer is in page number 178. Here you have a flow chart. Functions of the political parties. You can choose any 4 from this. There are 6 functions given. You can choose any 4, whichever you feel it easy for you to learn. Next question. When is a political party recognized as a national party? So when we are talking of political parties, there are different types like national party, state party and like that. So here we have in page number 180. National parties, criteria for recognition. And so here are 3 points and these 3 points will give us this answer. So with this we are finishing this lesson, and make yourself aware of the political parties and get prepared for your civics. Thank you all.